Hey guys, welcome back to Lydia's Plate. Today I'm just filming a quick midweek tidy up with me. In summer I often have to clean a little more often, but I still don't have a lot of time because I'm busy out in the garden doing yard work, animals, all kinds of stuff. And there's more that tracks in because we're outside more, and instead of it just being snow that stays on the rug in the entrance, there's gravel and grass and all kinds that makes its way into the house, especially as we go barefoot more than it sticks to the bottom of our feet. So come along with me, I hope you're motivated, and let's get it done. So today I'm going to start in the living room. I just got to tidy up a little bit, some papers and stationery, all kinds of just little things that are out of place. So I'm just going to get those cleaned up and fold that blanket over there on the chair, start sweeping, and then the living room is already done. So now that the living room is done, we can move on to kind of the dining area here, sweeping the floor first, and then I'll get to tidying up. It doesn't need much, just those few things that you see on the table, some dishes, papers, won't take much. There we go, the dining room area is done. So now we'll move on to the kitchen. Get this floor all swept, and then we'll get all of these surfaces cleaned up as well. For anyone who is not familiar with what I'm using here, this is my Norwex sweeper. I love this Norwex sweeper because it does not make all the dust go up in the air like a traditional broom does, and it's very quick, lightweight, easy to just pull out and sweep up a mess. Sometimes I don't always feel like hauling out my vacuum cleaner, and also when my kids were smaller, it had that added bonus of being quiet. I did not always want to run the vacuum cleaner when they were sleeping, but even now as they're older, you know, sometimes we're watching a movie and I can just quickly tidy up the floor a little bit, sweep it while we're watching a movie, and it doesn't bother anybody. So, but the biggest benefit definitely is that it does not put all that dust up into the air, otherwise I'd be sneezing like crazy. Here I'm just going to get the dishes loaded up from the night before. And I have one pot. Baking soda works great for cleaning, but so far I have not found it to work for shining my stainless steel pots. So one of these days, the next time that I have a pot that needs a little help, little TLC, I'm going to try some vinegar with the baking soda and see if that chemical reaction will shine up the pot. I know that whenever I'm canning and doing pickling in the fall, that pickling, the cooking of the vinegar in the pot, that really shines it up, so I'm gonna give it a try next time. My chemical cleaner here, this is a Legostina cleaner. It works fantastic, but it's still chemicals and it's almost gone, so I will want to know what I'm doing before it is all the way gone. Hopefully I can find a less harsh, chemical-free solution. We were outside all Sunday afternoon, and even with using sunscreen, we got some sunburns here, so just had some aloe vera lotions and whatever on the island that needed to be cleaned up. And this is my big pizza stone. I believe it's a 15-inch, and it is also from Reda. I love their products. This is not a sponsored video by any means, but they do have a lot of good products at an affordable price. Their customer service has always been great. Not that I've needed a whole lot, but actually I don't think I've needed anything. But I've been very happy with all their products. So back to that stone. That pizza stone works fantastic. It'll keep your pizza hot on the table for a lot longer than your average non-stick pan or aluminum pan or whatever pizza pan you're using. And it also just gives the crust a totally different flavor. It's fantastic. I love it. There we go, that space is all done, and we're on to the entrance. Just a little bit of footwear that needs to be moved. The boys are actually away right now. They're at their cousin's for a sleepover, and so it's been different. I really miss them. Just gonna give this rug a quick vacuum, and that pool stuff, I just haven't decided what I'm gonna do with it yet. I don't know where it needs to go. I'm not sure where we want to store it, so it's just gonna sit there for now. The entrance is done already, and now we're on to our bedroom. Just gonna tidy up, make our bed here, and vacuum the floor, and then there's not really much else to do in our bedroom. As I said, this is just a super quick midweek tidy up. The house doesn't need a whole lot. I just wanted to touch it up because the little bit that was there was bugging me, so just wanted to stay on top of it. That room is done, so I'm just going to straighten out that blanket, and now I'm going to vacuum the hallway. And then that's it. That's all I'm going to do. Like I said, it's just a quick pick-me-up, tidy up. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't yet. Hit that bell if you want to be notified every time we post a new video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!